important information to you all. Watch this video till the end. I am very happy.
Dripping lights paint the skies.
Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. And do subscribe me at AISHMINDY, my channel. Hello, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल। सबसे पहले थैंक यू, शुक्रिया मेरी DIY एडिक्ट फैमिली को थोड़ा और बड़ा बनाने के लिए। एंड थैंक यू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स फॉर गिविंग मी सो मच लव। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक भिन्न प्रकार के आइडियाज फॉर रिपब्लिक डे। द फर्स्ट वन इज द हार्ट हेडबैंड DIY।
Dripping lights paint the skies.
The list of the material is given in the description box. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that.
Paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
If you like this idea, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 1. The second one is the flower headband DIY.
Dripping lights paint the skies. All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
If you find this DIY interesting, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 2. The third one is the popcorn. The sick. The third one is the pom-pom Tic Tac.
Dripping lights paint the skies. All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive.
If you love this DIY, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 3. The last one is the heart Tic Tac DIY.
Dripping lights paint the skies. All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Isn't this DIY look great? Then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 4. Do subscribe me at AISHMINDY, my channel, and hit the bell button. And don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is, which Republic Day idea you like the most? Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care, live your dreams.
Hold tight, hold tight.